Curious and Clueless here, but
And crazy.
Whatever.
Leaving on Monday.
She's leaving on Monday to go back to Florida. But right now we're spending time together at a family breakfast, and we are skateboarding and leaping into the grass. Okay.
Alright, go.
Fun.
Oh, snap. I'm sorry, Bubby got in my way.
Bubs.
I'll start out slow, okay? Ready? Start out slow. Bubs, you're going to have to get out of the way. Get off of me.
That was a fail.
This is Curious and Clueless here with Crazy and Carl. Wow, it's Steve. Okay. Shut up. We're jumping over really high things. Videotape that. Okay, ready?
This looks like such a crappy jump.
Yes, it does, and it is.
Here.
Ready? 1. Okay, Carl, you count that.
1, 2, fire truck. Go.
I can't do it! I can't do it!
Here, videotape me doing it. I can do it.
I'm sorry.
Back view. Fine.
Alright, you can
Yeah,
jump
but
me.
don't you want to get me breaking my leg when I land?
True that.
Go!
Nice, Crazy, nice.
Alright, you ready?
Go! Holy crap. That is the worst jump I've ever seen.
At least I attempted it.
Shut up.
Alright.
Wow! That was awesome. Shut up! Woo! What's right there? Go ahead, Crazy, your turn.
What?
Ah!
No, all wrong.
What do you want?
That is a wasp house.
Oh, that is. Someone kick the pole. Dare you.
Carly, I dare you to kick the pole.
No, please do.
Oh, Bob, don't go near that pole. Why is there only one?
He's a
Pissed off about
bachelor.
it. What? I have to go in now.
I'm gone.
Oh!
Get that side action. This is Curious and Clueless, and this is a fight.
You mean this make your son or something?
I miss.
Alright, Kirsten, give me a slap.
Hi, ow! You bit my arm!
I hold.
Now, camera's staying right here.
What are you doing?
You cannot hold camera. Camera don't want
Curious
you.
and Clueless, slap.
Ha, you missed and I slipped. Oh, ow. This hurts. Wait, I want... Whoa,
Got
this
it.
is a
Okay.
$70
Hi,
camera.
everybody. I'm holding the camera like she said I could, and
I never said you couldn't. You probably almost broke the lens. Stop. Just made the batteries. Okay, let's... I'm not a noob, I'm a vlogger.
Jamie, it's not
They're the biggest
I'm
noobs of all
freaking
time.
excited.
look at that. What if it pops off the top of it?
Look!
Is that them? Now they're letting people on it. Stay on it. Oh my God, there they are. 1, 2, 7, 6.
Farley and Kirsten, red shirt. There they go. There they come. Here comes Farley. Here comes Carly, Justin, and Kirsten. There's Mom freaking out. Ready? There's Mom and Ronnie.